If you are looking for a fun and educational toy for your child, you might want to check out the 6 pieces magnetic Montessori toys early learning educational toys for children math business numbers DIY assembling puzzles. This toy is designed to help children develop their logical thinking, creativity, and math skills. The toy consists of 6 magnetic pieces that can be combined in different ways to form various shapes and numbers. Children can also use the pieces to solve puzzles and learn about business concepts such as profit and loss. The toy is made of high-quality plastic and magnets, and it is safe and durable. The toy is suitable for children aged 3 and above, and it can be used at home or in the classroom. The 6 pieces magnetic Montessori toys early learning educational toys for children math business numbers DIY assembling puzzles is a great gift idea for any child who loves to learn and play. You can check out the link in the description to get yours now for your child or a birthday gift. If you had fun with the content, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.